Please hold on for a minute. Don't close the video yet. You are watching me testing and using DIY wood chipper video. But this channel is not about wood chippers only. It is about mechanics, electronics, turning, milling, hobbies. My next project will be flying. Maybe flying wood chipper? Just maybe. And turning life hack too. I am very interested in making videos of a new format. Maybe I will show how I live. But now I only begin to manage my videos. I called my channel Recreative Technology and it is not 100% match, but maybe you can name my channel. I have a simple camera and cheap stand. That's enough for me, but maybe not enough for you. So your support consists of subscription, likes and comments. But you can support me via crypto, sending me an email with your ideas for video and details of transaction for large ideas. I can and will make every your idea. Now you can help me grow much more. I am beginner and only you can make me professional. All the information is in the description. I am not a needy person, I will only make your ideas. And you can join me from the beginning. It's your personal project. So please subscribe, prove that you are active YouTube member. And I would like to hope that this is the last video of my wood chipper build, except I would like to make shorter versions of current videos. Sorry for the video. I really hope you like it and all stuff I make I use. If something doesn't work you will not see it. So this is a chain wood chipper. And it works. For small chips and very reliable. And simple, cheap to build. Nothing special. My videos are not only about wood chippers. It has been a long story. My first wood chipper was a great success not only because it is the best viewed, but it was the beginning of my YouTube passion and the beginning of much more complex projects, much more thoughtful and more localized. Yet complex doesn't mean not simple or more expensive. It is very expensive for me but not for you. It is my main goal. It all began in childhood. I was a 6-year-old child who can draw blueprints of a steam engine, for example. I was really interested in instruments in my father's old garage. A lot of old belts, pulleys, gears and motors. But we moved and sold that garage. My father thought that I am too young for such hobbies to be a part of my life. Maybe I could be better at economics. But I have very small brain for economics and big brain for inventions. I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel. Before you forget to do it, I will continue my story. Subscribe to support me and not to miss my future project. I had rather common childhood and rather free teenage. But all my time I loved to spend in my workshop building robots and tanks out of wood car parts and buttons. I could make them better like small wire from the remote control in a block of relays. But I could not afford them while I studied at school. And once I risked to buy 3D printer around year 2018. It was very expensive for me, but I thought I can try to make a small printing business and make more parts like his. Not only wood. Then I met one man. He gave me the ability to work, to buy tools, to learn new things like programming and visit Japan. I was invited with my invention to show and patent it, to be manufactured. After, or maybe a little before, I bought a lathe. I already knew that it was not big enough for me, but I didn't have choice. Or to have more powerful lathe or to have lathe better equipped. I made the best choice that I preferred more equipped because my lathe has just enough power and size to almost fit my needs, but it works with excessive loads. So it wears down much quicker. Sorry guys to stop my short story here. I have been working from early morning and now it is almost morning. All nights I am preparing new videos for you. Please watch till the end and thank you for watching. I only want to finish this video today. We will sure talk more in next videos about car batteries that weigh twice the weight of a robot, about thick power cables running to remote control and back, about wooden drivetrain with photos and burning buttons.